Hello everyone, you're listening to Dr.Huma Ibrar, and today we are going to talk about muscles of neck, including neck flexors, neck extensors, lateral rotators, and lateral flexors. But before starting, if you still haven't subscribed this channel, kindly subscribe this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. So moving towards the topic, let's start. Primary muscles plus their innervations. For neck. So let's talk about the muscles of neck. The first one is about neck flexion. The muscles responsible for neck flexion include sternocleidomastoid muscle that is responsible for neck flexion. Now let's talk about the innervation for sternocleidomastoid muscle. So the innervation for sternocleidomastoid muscle are spinal accessory nerve, that is cranial nerve, 11th cranial nerve. Moving towards the next, that is neck extension. We'll talk about the muscles that are responsible for neck extension plus their innervation. So the muscle that is responsible for neck extension is paravertebral extensors, including splenius, semispinalis, and capitis muscle. Plus the neck muscle that is responsible for extension is also trapezius. Now let's talk about the innervation. Number one is ventral rami of the segmental cervical nerve roots. Okay, let's talk about the second one, that is spinal accessory nerve. That is the cranial nerve, 11th cranial nerve. So these are the muscles and the innervation for neck extension. Moving towards the next one, that is lateral rotators or lateral rotation. The muscles responsible for lateral rotation of neck are contralateral sternocleidomastoid muscle. So talking about the innervation of this muscle, that is spinal accessory nerve. Again, so the last one is lateral flexors or lateral flexion of neck, and the muscles that are responsible for lateral flexion of neck includes ipsilateral sternocleidomastoid muscle 1, and the second one is scalenus muscle. So talking about the innervation for lateral flexors or ipsilateral sternocleidomastoid or scalenus muscle, that is spinal accessory nerve again, cranial nerve 11, plus ventral vein of lower cervical nerve. So these were the muscles of neck and their innervations. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Remember me in your prayers.